Going along with the fuses that we did this weekend, that we determined that the bike had a bad battery connection, we're going to go ahead and show you just a real quick tip. Let's Ride's very own, just the tip. So your fuse box, usually on touring models, on almost all bikes, are on this side or they're underneath the seat. So this little panel here just pulls off. It's just a compression fit. Pull that off. There's your fuse. There's your fuse box right here on the inside. That's my FP4. I like it. I've had good success with it. Here's your main fuse. And then this bad boy here in the back pops off, and that really shows all of your fuses. So, my wonderful dad gave me these big, huge sausage fingers. So grabbing these little things and pulling them out isn't always the easiest. So instead of doing that, what we can do is we can get our voltmeter that we've got here and set it onto continuity, which is that little booger right there. So it says OL. OL is for open line, meaning that it's not a closed circuit. So if we set this here and we touch these together, she yells at you, letting you know that it's no longer an open line. Thing out, these fuses, and I'll show you just a little bit closer here, have little points on the top of them. Those little points go directly to that fuse. And that fuse will tell you whether it's good or not. Now, it doesn't matter if you go this way or if you go this way. You just got to make two of them touch to see if there's continuity. Put your black one on one, red one on. You hear that baby squeal? Means the fuse is good. That way you don't have to wiggle it out and test it, look at it all. You can very quickly go through all of these and just check the fuses. So let's say that we check one of these and it doesn't make this thing squawk. Well, then we get our case, and on our case, all of what is corresponding with the fuses behind it tells us where that circuit is. So then we can track down that one circuit as opposed to having to track down everything to make sure that we've got the right thing that we're fixing. So you can see a PA relay, you can see a PA, a system, you can see battery to 5 amps, you got your spare. Usually these do come with some extra spares that you have on your bike. That way if one of them blows, you can swap them out real quick and get them going. So super easy stuff, very useful in troubleshooting, very great to have, because if you don't, you're chasing a ghost for a long, long time. So that's this evening's Big Mike with Let's Ride Motorcycle Repair. That's just the tip. Till next time, y'all. Hey, let's ride.